Hello traders, it's Tomek here and welcome in my weekly Forex forecast. Finally, we are after end of summer time, summer holidays in Europe. So I hope that market will be again more volatile than it was for previous 2 months. Generally, this summertime was not so bad because we had some moves on the Aussie pairs. But I hope that volatility will come back soon. Maybe not this week, but maybe next week. So let's check what we have because we have some opportunities for upcoming week. And also, we changed a little bit our weekly forecast from September. So this you will see that on our channel we will have like my weekly forecast when I will show you classic charts. Yanis will make weekly forex forecast with the Renko charts, and I will also make a separate forecast for indices, DAX, Nasdaq, and US 30 together with Bitcoin, gold, and oil. So we decided to split like this. And of course, you will also get summary of our live trading room. Yeah, so just check our channel. You also, if you subscribe, you will get informations about that, about new videos. And also, if you sign up to our starter program, you will get email messages whenever we upload new videos into our channel. Yeah, so let's start with the Aussie dollar, US dollar. This is first pair which I have here, and what we have on the weekly chart. Maybe we can start even from the monthly, so you will see a little better perspective on this pair. So if you pay attention to the monthly chart right now, what we see that price generally on this pair was already on the bottoms, yes, even with the spike. So previously, when price retested this area, we had really strong move. What we can see here that we have like a monthly long 1 to 3 with the EMA crossover. So what this can mean is that we will get continuation of this up move. We also have trend line here, but we still have room to this line. Yes, so we don't have to be worried yet about this, but this might be our next good target. This is around almost 1,000 pips, so there is quite there is a lot of room here. Price reaching resistance area almost, which was here, and the next resistance is up here. But like I said, this is monthly. I just would like to give you big perspective what can price do here. But generally, we start from the weekly anyway. But this might happen. Yes, price might continue, even maybe will break and will go up. Yes, who knows? We will see this. We will also see what will happen during the um, autumn period, because I hope there won't be any lockdowns anymore and the situation will go back to normal with everything. But let's check right now weekly chart. So weekly chart, we have this resistance. We have also support level where price almost touched this was nice support, so we see that price spiked right now, is going up. So generally this also we can say that there was also support zone, because this is always zone. Yeah, so price not exactly touched this, now it's pointing up. Next resistance on the weekly chart might be on those previous tops here. Yeah, so we go to daily time frame, and what we have on the daily, we'll see that price broke this trend line or is breaking the trend line. So basically what we would like to do right now is to look for possible long scenarios. Yeah, so any retracement for us will be option to go long here on the 4-hour chart. Yes, and the intraday traders, as long as price is bouncing on the 36 EMA, you can look for the long entries also. So what you do, you just wait for the retracement back to the 36 EMA, and whenever price will go back to this area, you look for long entries. Of course, this will be late because you see how many times price already bounced around the 12, 36 and the 12, so this will be late, but still possible to trade if price rejects and decided to go up. If you don't get this, bigger retracements are necessary. So 4-hour chart and then combinations with lower time frames to get in on or on the 4-hour chart if you have enough risk reward. Aussie CAD is similar. Also, Aussie Swiss franc is similar, and Aussie yen. So you can choose for those pairs. Whenever you get better setup or you like this more, you can trade them because general perspective is more or less the same. Here on the monthly chart, you will see that the situation is different. Yes, it's completely different story here. But we don't need. Yes, I just wanted to show Aussie dollar, US dollars on the monthly. This we start from the weekly. This, if we just would like to see monthly chart, we'll see that prices in the kind of the on the kind of the range right now. Yeah. Anyway, we go to weekly chart here. Price reach support level. Here it's obvious. You see here this pair reached us. Next area where price might stop in terms of going up. This is the resistance, and we also have resistance up here, and of course previous stops. In terms of the support level, our support level is here. Yeah. So what we can get. We can also get bigger momentum again, and maybe price will go here or even to the previous stops, or we will get bounce on this, and then price will go down to retest this, and maybe will continue to go down even further. But right now we have trendline breakout on the daily chart. We are close to this breakout. You see, this is our trend line together with the 36 EMA. So basically, we didn't get 4-hour chart set up yet. So if you get the 4-hour chart 1 to 3 here, this will be option to go long together with the trend line which supports us here. Yes, so retracement back to this zone. It's okay for us to try. Here you see that we had the setup, but it was below the trend line. So right now we know that this worked out and we could make nice profits here. But generally, we like to see that when price is breaking, because this is our profit zone. So price can also make like a double top here and then continue to go down, and it's also often. Yeah, so we have to remember about this. So it's better always to wait at least for trendline breakout. Here, maybe 1-hour chart gave us some signal, some setup. So on the 1-hour chart, yes, we had this, but it will be also a little bit aggressive entry because we had previous stops here. But generally, we could have tried this. If not, we get the first setup here, which was, of course, a little bit late, but combinations with lower time frames, why not? So right now, for our chart retracement, we look for long, or you can still look for the lower time frame trades if you like, if you are intraday trader. Any retracement to the 36 EMA to this trend line, it's option to go long here. Yes. So whenever price retrace, your 2 to 3 line will be broken. You look for the lower time frame entries to jump in. I personally would like to get 4-hour chart retracement and then start to buy. CAD, we see that our lines are still here from our previous forecast. And what we have here, we still have weekly long 1 to 3. So price retrace with some problems, right now retested this support level. We also have trend line here. So what might happen? Price right now we are squeezed. It will be visible on the daily chart. But I would like to really see that price is going up together with this weekly possible momentum to go long. But we can also first price might struggle in this area, and then maybe we'll get breakouts and buys, or breakouts and sell. So basically, whenever price breaks this trend line here, 2 to 3 line, we would like to take longs, and whenever price breaks support level together with the trend line, we look for short entries. This is like a bigger approach, but because we are squeezed right now on the daily chart, which is visible, we have this kind of the range here, or wedge, and from this point to this point, it's quite nice space. It's around 200 pips. So what we can do, we can try to look for short entries here and target this, and of course try to target this. And then if we are lucky and price breaks this, perfect. Yes, maybe we'll get good trade there. And of course, after breakout of this trend line, we look for buys. So we have here right now, it's like a short 1 to 3, but in the range. In the range because we don't have new lower low, but we still have new lower highs. So that's why we have 1 to 3. We don't have good trend line here. You see that. So the best line, I would say, it's this. Yes. So whenever price breaks this line, we can look for short entries and target support, 200 pips. Good possible good trade. If price breaks this, we look for buy. So basically, we wait for the 4-hour chart 1 to 3 here, or 4-hour chart 1 to 3 here. Yes, long or short. Same story on the 1-hour chart. We have our lines. So new higher low, we'll buy here, lower low, lower high, and we sell. Euro yen. This is what we have right now. It's also weekly long 1 to 3. So we see that after period of the retracement, during the summertime, more or less, price right now is bouncing on the support zone and is making for us weekly long 1 to 3. Yeah, so if this holds, yes, price might continue to go up to this resistance or to another resistance. Yes. So this is right now what I try to find. I try to look for possible setups. Good information is for us that price broke already this trend line on the daily chart. However, it's a little bit right now around the resistance on the daily chart, if you pay attention here. But still, from the weekly perspective, I'm interested to look for buys. The situation is that 4-hour chart is not giving us good setups right now. The only thing which we have or we might have is the 4-hour chart 1 to 3 like this. So if you get something, if price will retrace and will react and decide to go up, you can try this because the weekly chart is in your favor. Daily chart maybe not. But if we get momentum from the weekly, it might go up really fast. I would lower the risk in this case because this chart plot together with the resistance is something tricky for me. So only lower the risk, but the general perspective to go long is okay. If price won't go, yes, if we have situation that price bounce here, maybe we'll get a false signal and then price will go down, then we will see again what to do. Because right now I'm only focusing on buys. I don't see right now reason to look for sell. Yeah. So we will see. Right now, just focus on the buy. GBP yen. Let me just delete all those unnecessary lines which we have. And if we pay attention on the weekly, similar story to Euro yen. The thing is that on the Euro yen, our weekly long 1 to 3 looks a little bit better. But still, GBP yen is also on the good profit zone or hit profit zone because we have support zone with the 36 EMA. We have this weekly long 1 to 3, so we can expect continuation to this or to the next resistance, which is here, or possible also bigger retracement to this line and bounce from this area. Yes, because this is nice line with at least 3 touches. So we go to daily chart, we see more details here, and right now price is also squeezed, like on the CAD yen. So what we would like to do, look for short entries after 2 to 3 line breakout target this 300 pips. So this is quite nice possibility. And then of course, even here, or breakout of this trend line and then continuation to this area here. In between, we have some kind of the resistance, but I'm not interested right now in this, but we have to pay attention. This is daily resistance also, but to be honest, I don't pay attention much to this. I will just pay attention if I see that we will not get momentum, because we don't know about the breakout. Sometimes we have breakout and price get immediately momentum. So it's simply I don't think about this right now. But if I see small candles which are going, then maybe I will consider this resistance as an important one if price decide to slowly go to this. Yes, and then, yeah. So it all depends on about the price action which will happen later. Yes, but you can just remember about this resistance. So we go to 4-hour chart and stay like on the CAD yen. The thing is, it's a little bit better line. It's still we don't have much touches, so we just use this with the 36 EMA, and we wait for breakouts. Yes, here or here. You look for long, so new higher high, higher low, new lower low, lower high. Also, same story on the 1 hour chart. As long as we are in this area, you are not interested to trade. You just wait for 1, 2, 3 here or 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, so this will be your option for GBP. Nice pair because we are on the profit zone. And USD CAD, this gains some momentum. It's a little bit tricky. I discussed this per many times, and finally, price did something funny here, because moves were really sharp and fast, but it retested resistance. Yeah, this one was quite important from the price action point of view. So price retested this. And now it still looks like a weekly short 1 to 3 possible continuation to go down to retest this support level. So right now I'm interested to look for sell. However, we are around the weekly support. Yes, this whole zone here is the weekly support. Yeah, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5. So we have this. So it's a little bit tricky because if I also look for the weekly trend line, if I draw it like this with 3 touches, price broke this line. So it's difficult to say, but currently, because there was like this big spike, I'm more willing to try, and I really try to find setups to go short and target this previous lows, even if we are on the weekly support here. So you see, even on the daily, this support is quite visible. The next on the daily is here. So because this was, like a spike and go down, I'm interested in this way of trade. Yeah. So right now you see price broke daily 36, daily trend line. However, we are close to the support, but I'm willing to try. So 4-hour chart might give us setup on the. Yes, I would lower the risk. This is the best what we can have right now. So 4-hour chart 1 to 3, and you look for short entries and target this or target that. Yeah. So this is what we have. 1-hour time frame. Also, I was looking on Friday. I think so. On Friday, I was looking for the 1-hour chart 1 to 3, but didn't happen. Price will go down. So I prefer to get bigger retracement right now. But if we have 1-hour chart, it's also possible to try if you like to trade this. Yeah, if you like to trade this, it's okay to try. If risk reward is good, and it should be because it's 17 pips, it's okay. Yeah. So right now we focus on sells. Okay, guys. So that's all in this forecast. This is only about the forex. So I hope you like this, and I hope you will like our next videos. In case of any questions, or if you have any tips, just let us know. Also, I would like to know about your feedback, if possible, about this new idea with the new videos. So wish you all great week, and see you soon. Bye.